How to create a capsule wardrobe for a minimalist lifestyle. Ever stand in front of your closet, overwhelmed by the sheer number of clothes you have, yet still feel like you have nothing to wear? What if I told you that with just 10 pieces, you could create an entire wardrobe that's stylish, versatile, and easy to manage? Sounds like a dream, right? Stick around to learn how to simplify your fashion choices and create your very own minimalist capsule wardrobe. Creating a capsule wardrobe might sound intimidating, but it's actually one of the easiest ways to take control of your style, save time, and reduce stress over what to wear every day. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a 10-piece minimalist wardrobe that you can mix and match for a multitude of stylish combinations, sparking your creativity and excitement. So, if you're tired of your closet being chaotic or want a more straightforward, streamlined way of dressing, keep watching. By the end of this video, you'll know how to effortlessly build your capsule wardrobe and say goodbye to decision fatigue, feeling at ease and in control of your style. Let's break it down first. What exactly is a capsule wardrobe? It's a collection of essential clothing pieces that are versatile, timeless, and easy to mix and match. The goal is to keep things minimal but functional so you can build outfits with ease while staying stylish. The key to a capsule wardrobe is quality over quantity. By curating a few key pieces, you can wear the same items in multiple ways. It's about simplifying your choices so you spend less time shopping, less time deciding what to wear, and more time enjoying life. Sounds pretty great, right? But here's the twist. We will create this minimalist capsule wardrobe with just 10 pieces. Yes, you heard me right, only 10 items. No more endless piles of clothes you never wear, no more frustration. Just 10 pieces that you can wear every day and still look amazing. The essential pieces you'll need. Let's examine the 10 pieces you need to make your wardrobe work. We'll focus on the classics, versatile and timeless items. These pieces should be neutral and go with almost anything, giving you many outfit possibilities. I'll also show you how to transition a day look to a night look with these pieces, proving their versatility. 1. A classic white shirt is the foundation of your wardrobe. It's one of those items that never goes out of style and can be dressed up or down. You can wear it tucked into jeans, under a blazer, or even with a skirt. The options are endless. Why it's essential, timeless, versatile, and goes with everything. How to style it: pair with jeans for a casual look, or tuck it into a skirt for a more polished vibe. 1. A pair of well-fitting jeans. When it comes to jeans, the fit is everything. You want a pair that makes you feel comfortable and confident. Look for a pair that flatters your body type and can easily dress up or down. Why it's essential. Jeans are versatile and can be dressed with a blazer or a casual tee. How to style it: pair with a white shirt for a classic look or a cozy sweater for colder days. 1. A black blazer is a game changer when it comes to looking polished without much effort. When paired with the right pieces, it instantly elevates any outfit and works for professional settings, date nights, or even casual outings. Why it's essential. A black blazer can instantly make any outfit look put together. How to style it: wear it over your white shirt and jeans, or with a dress for a more formal look. 1. A neutral sweater. A cozy sweater is a must in your wardrobe, especially during colder months. Stick to neutral colors like beige, gray, or black so it goes with everything. This will be your go-to for chilly days. Why it's essential. It's perfect for layering in pairs, well with almost anything. How to style it: pair it with jeans or skirts, or layer it over a dress. 1. A little black dress. LBD, the little black dress is a wardrobe staple. It's simple, elegant, and can be dressed up or down. Whether you're going to a party, a dinner, or a wedding, this piece will always have your back. Why it's essential, timeless, and versatile. How to style it: pair with heels for a night out or sneakers for a casual vibe. 1. Comfortable black flats are often the most challenging part of curating a capsule wardrobe, but a good pair of black flats is a game changer. They're chic, comfortable, and go with everything from jeans to dresses. Why it's essential. Flats are practical and versatile. How to style it: pair them with jeans, skirts, or even your little black dress. 1. A denim jacket is the perfect casual piece to throw on over any outfit. It's easy to layer and adds a bit of edge to your look without overdoing it. Plus, it's great for in-between seasons. Why it's essential. A denim jacket can make any outfit more stylish and adds texture. How to style it: wear it over a white shirt and jeans, or layer it over a dress. 1. A simple black skirt. A simple black skirt is easy to dress up or down. Choose a versatile length, knee length, or midi that can be worn with blouses, sweaters, or jackets. Why it's essential. Classic, simple, and super adaptable. How to style it: pair with your white shirt for a clean, polished look, or throw on a sweater for something more cozy. 1. A pair of black trousers. A pair of black trousers is essential for more formal occasions or for when you need to look polished without much thought. Look for a pair that fits well and can be paired with various tops in your wardrobe. Why it's essential: a great pair of black trousers can be worn with almost anything. How to style it: pair with your black blazer or a simple top for a professional look. 1. A simple neutral scarf. A scarf is the perfect accessory to complete your look. Opt for a neutral colored scarf that can be worn with everything, adding a bit of warmth and style to any outfit. Why it's essential: a simple scarf can add texture and color to your outfits. How to style it: throw it over any of your pieces for a cozy, stylish touch. The challenge: sticking to only 10 pieces. The big challenge is how to ensure these 10 pieces work for your lifestyle. It's all about choosing quality items that fit your style and needs. Think about your daily life. Are you working from home? Do you have meetings or formal events? Are you always running errands? Once you know what kind of clothing fits your routine, you can ensure your 10 pieces are versatile enough to cover all your needs. The key moment: simplifying your wardrobe, simplifying your life. The real magic happens when you start simplifying your wardrobe and your life. With just 10 pieces, you'll reduce decision fatigue, save money, and create a sense of clarity in your closet. Instead of spending hours figuring out what to wear, you'll find that everything you own works with everything else, making outfit creation effortless. Also, with fewer clothes, you can start investing in higher quality pieces that will last longer and feel better. The joy of minimalist fashion frees you up to focus on what truly matters, whether spending time with loved ones, focusing on work, or enjoying life without the weight of too much stuff. Conclusion: your capsule wardrobe awaits. So, there you have it, a minimalist capsule wardrobe with just 10 pieces. These timeless, versatile items will give you endless outfit possibilities while keeping things simple. And the best part: you don't have to spend hours curating the perfect wardrobe, because it's already done for you. Start with the basics, and remember, you don't need a closet full of clothes to be stylish. You need a few key pieces that fit your lifestyle, make you feel good, and help you simplify your choices. If you're ready to take your wardrobe to the next level, check out our next video, where we dive deeper into minimalist style tips and tricks. See you there.